On a summer's day like today, flooding is becoming more frequent across the county borough. We recognise the importance of building flood defences in our communities. These flood defences are crucial for our future resilience against all flooding. I would like to thank the residents of Glyn-nedd for their patience during this construction.
This scheme was developed by our drainage team and our partners as part of the two-phase project, and where I'm standing now is phase one. So historically there's been plenty of flooding in this area in Glyn-nedd from this particular watercourse, and this structure was designed to contain a 1 in 100 year storm event. Okay, so this is phase two of the project. We're on Glynmelyn Road. So what we did here, there was previously a ford crossing, and we had to dam the watercourse, pump the water around so we were able to work in the dry. And what we effectively did was dropped box section culverts into the watercourse itself to create the bridge that you see here today. In terms of the wildlife, we had to work with NRW to work around the fishery embargo. So at certain times of the year we weren't allowed to work in the water. So we programmed our work around that so that we were out of the water before the fishery embargo started.
We recently completed a £3.5 million scheme to reduce the risk of flooding here in Glyn-nedd. The scheme will now protect more than 250 homes and 23 commercial properties, ensuring safety and peace of mind for our residents and businesses. This project wouldn't have been possible without the dedication of our drainage team, partners and the support from the Welsh Government funding.
Areas of Glyn-nedd such as Robert Street and Rock Street have struggled over the years with flooding, and this scheme hopefully will reduce the amount of flooding the residents get into their homes as we move forward. I'm delighted that we've been able to finish this scheme with the grant funding from Welsh Government and hope there will be a positive to the residents in the area.